In this video, I'm going to transform these boring Ritz crackers into a savory treat. Stay tuned. Hey y'all, welcome to my holiday appetizer series. In this video today, I'm making savory ranch crackers, minimal ingredients but full of flavor. Now, if you've missed any of the videos as part of the series, I'll put the playlist link down in my description box below. I'll try to remember to do that. I didn't do that in the last video, but I also will put the most recent video in the series in the iCards above. All right, without further ado, let's get started.
All right, y'all, I've preheated my oven to 300 degrees. In this pot, I have 1 stick of melted butter, 1 stick of unsalted melted butter. And to the butter, I'm going to add 1 packet of Hidden Valley Ranch seasoning. This is the star of the show. This is the ingredient that's going to take these crackers to the next level and give us that flavor that we're looking for. If this is your first time visiting the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome to you. Feel free to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. And if you're a returning friend, welcome back. Thank you so much for all of your love and support and for coming back for another video. I'm using 2 sleeves of Ritz crackers. I'm going to get those opened up and into my bowl. I'm going in with my butter and seasoning mixture, and I'm going to pour that all over the crackers. The mixture started to cool a little bit, so you can see that the seasoning started to clump, but the butter will help to loosen it up, so you just have to go in and just keep tossing the crackers so that all of the crackers are touched by the seasoning. So that's what I'm doing here, just giving it a good toss so that all of that good seasoning and butter touches all of the crackers. And then we'll be moving on to the next step, getting that nice grated parmesan cheese on top of the crackers. I've got my baking sheet lined with parchment paper. You can also just spray your baking sheet with nonstick cooking spray. But I'm getting all of my crackers laid out on the pan, and then I'm going to sprinkle some freshly grated parmesan cheese. I've got about 1/3 cup. I'm going to sprinkle that on top of the crackers and then get them in the oven to bake for about 10 to 12 minutes. I've got enough crackers here for 2 batches. Okay, the first batch of crackers has come out of the oven. I'm going in with the second batch of crackers. The first batch I did leave in just a few minutes too long. They came out a little bit darker than the second batch, but this is the second batch of crackers. And so I kept my eye on these and didn't leave them in as long, but both batches taste really good. They have a lot of flavor, you guys. That ranch seasoning really did the trick, and so they actually turned out pretty good. And now I'm just going to go in and sprinkle a little parsley on top. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.